counties in New Jersey, Hunterdon, Middlesex, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for Sussex County, Eastern Warren County, Morris County, Hunterdon County, Somerset County, Middlesex County until 3:45 a.m. Sunday. At 7:44 p.m. around 1 inch of rain has fallen across portions of the area over the last hour or two. An additional 1 to 2 inches is expected over the next few hours and will cause flooding, especially in urbanized areas and along smaller creeks and streams. Several gauged streams are rising and will continue to rise through the evening. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or is occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately.